In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an existing supplement in Google Sheets using the Google Merchant Center Next. This process should take about 5 minutes and I'll guide you through each step along the way. First, ensure you have access to your Merchant Center account. Our goal is to enable the integration of supplemental feeds seamlessly. So without further ado, let's dive into the steps. Start by navigating to the settings section within your Merchant Center account. Once you're there, proceed to add-ons. Here, you'll need to enable the Advanced Data Source Management add-on. It's crucial to have this feature activated because it facilitates managing your supplemental feeds effectively. With this add-on, a broader set of options opens up, making the process smoother and more flexible. Once the add-on is enabled, your next move is to access your supplemental feeds. Head over to the Data Sources section and click on Supplemental Sources. Now, let's add a new supplemental source. You'll see options to either start fresh or integrate existing data. Choose the option to add product data from a file. We'll specifically focus on using a Google Sheet. At this point, you should have your Google Sheet prepared and ready to go. You'll need to provide the URL of your Google Sheet. Ensure that you set the sharing permissions to anyone with the link to make the sheet publicly accessible. This step is crucial because any restrictions might prevent the smooth integration of your data. If you run into an error stating this link doesn't appear to be valid, don't worry. There's a quick fix for this. Simply modify the URL by removing everything after the question mark, then append point text at the end of it. This adjustment should resolve the issue, allowing you to proceed without further interruptions. Next, it's time to associate this supplemental feed with a primary feed. Select the primary feed you wish to pair with your supplemental data. This ensures that all your additional information is aligned and correctly supplements your existing product data. After selecting the primary feed, click on Create Data Source to finalize your setup. This step confirms that everything is in place and ready for synchronization. Finally, to kickstart the process, manually click on the Update button within Google Merchant Center. This action initiates the very first sync between your supplemental feed and the Merchant Center. Moving forward, any updates will occur automatically according to the settings you've specified. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding an existing supplement in Google Sheets using Google Merchant Center Next. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find this process easy to replicate whenever needed. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides.